So yeah, what did we do at the Noble Group? Like the first thing that we did was we fixed the infrastructure. So when you go in there, you kind of realize that the cabling is 10 years old. So no matter what system you have, if you have like a poor internet connectivity, if you have rotten cabling and stuff, you need to put that in because no system in the world is going to work if it doesn't communicate back and forth. One of the key things that we do is, yeah, like Tommy showed in his, you can break everything down. You have your features like a must-have, critical, and then nice to have, and like that. But then you can also break it down into CAPEX, which is upfront cost, and then OPEX, operating cost, operating expenses, because you can create a 5-year plan and kind of amortize everything across year to year because yeah, you think it's expensive now, but there's often like a hidden savings in the background, both in terms of credit cards, in terms of efficiency, and table turns often too, because everything is working much better. One of the things that we did as well is when we're creating a circular flow of data, stock, labor, CCTV, feedback, CRM, it also opens up a new sales channel. So all of a sudden it's like, can we do better delivery? Yes. Can we do click and collect? Yes. And when you're fixing all these things, like especially at the Noble Group, we noticed that there was a distinct shift in the company from kind of just saying we're not quite sure what's going on, what the problems are. So you're overstaffing in anticipation of problems. All of a sudden now they're looking at each thing saying, how can we do better in this? How can we do better in this? What is our goals for the future? What can we work on?